I recently completed the Tamiya German machine gun crew on maneuver kit in 1/35 scale. This is a fairly old kit that dates back to the mid-90s, and it's very much in line with other Tamiya figure kits from that era. Inside the box you get two sprues, one containing the figures and another with the weapons and equipment. You also have the option of building the crew with either an MG42 or an MG34, which gives you a little flexibility depending on the scene you're trying to create. The instructions are printed on the back of the box and are fairly easy to follow. And here's a fun tip. If you open the top and bottom tabs of the box, you'll find additional illustrations showing how some of the equipment is arranged on the figures. As you might expect from a kit this age, the sculpting is fairly soft compared to modern figure kits. The faces have that classic old-school Tamiya look, and the hands are a bit oversized and somewhat puffy. That said, the weapons actually look pretty good considering the age of the kit, and the overall poses work well for a machine gun team in a non-combat scenario. You will encounter some fairly pronounced mold lines, so plan to spend a little time cleaning those up during assembly. The build itself is very typical of Tamiya figure kits. The legs are molded in two halves and join at the hips. The torso sits on top of the legs and generally fits together quite well. Most of the arm placement is straightforward, although you may encounter a few small gaps where the arms meet the torso. I found that using a little sprue goo works well for filling those. Overall, the kit assembles quite easily. Because the sculpting is a bit dated, I wouldn't recommend this kit if you want the figures to be the main focal point of a display. However, they work well as background or supporting characters in a vignette or diorama, which is exactly how I will be using them. For painting the uniforms, I used WWII German infantry paint set, which worked very well for this project. I will put affiliate links for the paint set and the model kit in the description. So aside from the sculpt showing its age and the lack of decals, there really isn't much to complain about here. This is a good beginner kit, and it's an excellent option if you're just learning how to paint figures. The price is very reasonable, and the simplicity of the sculpt makes it a good platform for practicing basic painting techniques. If you're looking for competition-level figure sculpts, there are better modern options available. But if you need an affordable machine gun crew for a diorama, this kit still offers a very good value. If you'd like to see how I painted these figures, check out the easy tutorial series I created linked below. Until next time, happy hobbying.